Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get cash in Township. Getting cash in Township can be done in several ways, whether you're a paying player or strictly free to play. The most direct option is through the bank, where you can purchase cash using real money, often with special deals that give extra value. But if you'd rather earn it for free, the game provides plenty of opportunities. Daily logins often reward small amounts of cash, and mining chests or the treasure found in the OJ can also give you bonuses. Participating in events and tournaments like Pirate Treasures, Cash Blasts, and seasonal challenges can earn you anywhere from a few notes to hundreds, depending on your performance. Achievements and leveling up are on another steady source, rewarding you for reaching milestones in your profile. Don't forget to check friend balloons and Ernie's balloons for surprise bonuses. And if you're aiming for extra rewards, golden tickets during events can provide an added boost. With little consistency, you'll steadily build up cash without breaking the bank. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.